What it do, what it do, what it do. It's your boy, TRE, back in the place to be. Man, I want to thank everybody that been hanging in there with your boy, man, because I've been gone for about, 3 weeks? Man, 3 weeks since I put a video out. Man, I'm in the process of moving. Your boy in the process of getting out of here. Don't have no studio lights, don't got my mic, I don't have my shoes back there, everything boxed up and ready to go. Don't even have my partner in crime with me, so the boy rocking is one deep, man, one deep, and the show must go on. Anybody out there new to the channel, go ahead, do yourself a favor, and hit that subscribe button right now. And you can also follow us on IG at Clones TV. Man, look, I'm pissed off. This shoe, this Jordan 11 Low Per Violet, man, it's a women's shoe. They don't even have this shoe my size. I wear a size 12 at men. Looking at these pictures, man, this shoe is dope, man. Damn, I want this. I got partners, man, when they come to J's, they don't mess with Lowe's. I don't give a damn, I mess with Lowe's. This shoe right here, this shoe is hot. Hot as fish grease, man. How the hell they don't have my size in this shoe? Look, it's all good. I'm gonna try to get it for somebody, man. You know, my wife, kids, man. Somebody gotta get this close to me, man. I mean, but I want it. I want this shoe for myself, and unfortunately, they don't have it in my size. You know, I don't give a damn if it's a women's shoe. You know what I'm saying? This shoe clean. You know what I'm saying? I know there's somebody out there that, that's gonna get these. You know, some guy out there gonna get them. You know, that don't wear, size 12, 11 and a half. Because I believe they go up to size 10 and a half in men, which is a size 12 in women. So the release date is the 28th of this month. I'm looking at Nike sneakers out right now. And again, man, I just hate that your boy can't get these in the collection, but I'm gonna try to get them. Try to get them for my son. I know he gonna love to have these, man. But y'all let me know, man. You know, is the shoe hot? Is it trash? Are y'all gonna get it? Or y'all gonna pass? Let your boy know down there in the comment section below. All right, I'm out. Peace.